Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a ChatGPT account. To do this it's really simple. You have to go to the ChatGPT app. Of course you can download it for free from any app store. You open the app and as you can see in the top right of the screen there is login. Top left of the screen, there is login button. Click on it. And after that, you have multiple choices. You can create an account using your Apple account or with Google, or you can just log in or sign up in a traditional way. Like here, you can always continue also with Google, with Apple, or with your phone. To make things easier, I will continue with Google. Click continue. And here I will choose a Gmail account. It asks me if I want to continue. Click continue. And it's doing now the configuration of my account. And as you can see, it will tells me give me some options, and voila, my account is created and I can start using my account in an easy way. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video,